Good morning. I'm Sriram Verma, and I'm going to explain the fifth experiment of Kambalala, that is the simulation of a DFA. So the DFA consists of a it consists of a finite set of states, a finite set of symbols called alphabets, a transition function, and initial or a start state, and a set of accept states. So now let's see the program. So here I used the package of by file, and I have imported java.unity.scanner, which is used to take the input, and this is for the public class buffer file, and this is the main function where I have created an object for the scan class. So this the scanner is equal to a new scanner. So this is used to take the input from the system, and these are the set of arrays of the strings. We have the array of the states. This is for the terminal and this is for the transition states. And here SOP enter the number of states, and here I've initialized the serial number, that is s dot extinct, and SOP enter the states. So here in this stage I've used for loop, so that is I equal to 0, I less than s number, and I is being implemented. So states of I is being stored in the next value, that is, and SOP enters the number of terminals, and I have initialized the T number. So uh, initialized T number is being stored in the s dot extinct in the same way for the terminals also. And here I've used two for loops. Here in SOB, the statement is enter the values in the table. So I've used for int I equal to 0, I less than s number and I plus plus, and the other one is for j equal to 0, j less than t number, and j has been implemented. Here for the first transition, ij is been used in the value of ij is been stored in the s dot next. In this for the transition table in the same way, these both are stored in the SOP of transition on ij, and SOP, and this is the output. So SOP enter the initial state, and it is used because it used to invoke the initial method. So and in the same way enter the state. So here I've used the finalist because it is used to invoke the final method present in the system. And in the same way I've created a other object for the input string. So that is the string input is equal to the string, and I've, and I've used here for int j equal to 0, j less than input and j less plus, and in the same way for int j equal to 0, j and k, and for the k the length is being calculated and it is being incremented at the same, and it is being read, and it is being stored in the input k. So if states of 5 dot equals, if it is equals, then int j equals 0 t number, then it is also equal, then the string is been accepted, then it shows that the string is not accepted. Here it checks the length of the transition, then it equals to the finalist, and if it equals, then it shows that the string is been accepted by the DFA, or it shows that the string is not accepted by the DFA. So now let's see the output. Here I have entered the number of states 4. So I have entered the number of states as ABCD, and it asks for the enter the number of terminals, and I've given two. Enter the terminals, I've given A and B, and here enter the values in the table. In the table, I have entered 8 values. So the transition in the table is BA, BC, BD, and BA. So and it asks me enter the initial state. So I've given A, enter the final state D. So it says that, then it shows that the length of the string is 4. Then it shows me enter the string given as A, B, B. Then the string is been accepted by the DFA. So thank you.